Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Is another tutorial coming from me. Today I'm going to be talking on a very important issue. Like something that's that is preventing us from tying our gele, rocking our gele. Gele is beautiful. Gele makes you stand out. Gele define your outfit. The gele, define you. Without gele, with your African attire, you just look odd. Some people, they run away from tying gele, not because they don't like it, yes, but because the pain that is coming from gele is something that some people, they can't endure. People like me, let me use myself as an example. I like gele, but I can't stand the pain that is coming from gele, and I'll just be uncomfortable. I'll be sweating like so until I found out this solution to take care of the pain. That is when I started, that was when I started tying gele. But then I don't used to tie gele. I tie it, but I can't stand it. I'll be very, very uncomfortable. And I know a lot of people out there, a lot of women out there, they experience the same thing, because I've seen like one or two persons that complain the same thing to me. Since I've taught them on what to do to stop the pain, they rock their gele well and now. So guys, I want you, if you are experiencing the same thing today, after watching this video, you will rock your gele at any time any hour, no matter the hour, no matter the time you spend wearing your gele, you will still carry your gele and rock it. So guys, if you are just stopping by my channel for the first time, please subscribe and welcome to the family. And when you subscribe, click on the notification bell up there so that you get notification anytime I upload a new video. There is never a dull moment in my channel, and I promise to give out my best. And I want you to support me in your own little way that you can. Yes, if it's sharing my video, please do. Commenting here a thumbs up, I will appreciate it. I love you all subscribers. Thank you. In fact, I'm dancing shako shako for you guys. Thank you for being there for me. Thank you for supporting me so much. The new subs, welcome to the family, welcome to my channel. Welcome. You are welcome. Remember to share my video. Remember to give me a thumbs up. Remember to drop your comments on the comment chat below. If there is any video you want me to do for you, don't forget to drop it on the comment chat below. Let's get to the business. So what I'll be using, as you can see, I have tied my I don't know what I tied. I just used it and roll on my head, but as I'm seeing it, I'm loving it. At least one can rock this to church, you still look good. So what I'll be using for this remedy, I call it remedy to stop gele pain. So this is cotton wool. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I do this, the magic I do to stop the pain that is coming from gele. So what I do is I just little quantity from the cotton wool. So just make a bulb. So now another bulb, that is 2. So where this pain is coming from, that I've noticed, is from the ears. So nothing else. If you can stop the pain that is coming from this ear, you don't have any issue here. So what I do is I'll just roll this cotton bulb, then at the back of my ear I will gradually, so in a way that nobody will see it, at the back of the ear. That is it. This place, no more pain again. So the same thing goes to this side. Remember where I told you can put it. Just look for a way to So at the back of your hair, make sure nobody's seeing it at the back. That is all. That is all you need. And you can rock your gele from morning till night. You can dance all one bed. Please try this and you will thank me later. Yeah. Please, if you find this video very helpful, it works for you, try it and it works for you, please come back to my channel and drop your comments. So that another thing you will do for me is to share this video with your friends, your loved ones, so that if they are experiencing the same thing, they can use this remedy to stop the pain that is coming from gele. Because we know that gele is beautiful, gele is outstanding, gele defines your gele. Look at the way I love this one, though I didn't do any much work there. I just wrap it because I don't want to leave my hair empty like that. I just know how to tie this anyhow. So guys, yeah, more tutorials coming from me to you. And remember, I love you guys. We are growing 8K subscribers. I'm so happy that I have people like you around me, people that are so supportive. Thank you for being there for me. Invite your friends to my channel because we have a lot to learn. More tutorial on gele, more tutorial makeup, skincare tips, like wig making. Yeah, next week I will do another wig for you guys with different style. All right guys, so see you in my next video. All right, bye. Take this.